Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color Poppet Flower. Let's start drawing. First we draw a circle. We're drawing leaves around the circle. We draw the stem of the flower, and then draw a leaf on the stem. Now we're going to draw small circles. Haha, this is so much fun! Wonderful! We finished drawing Poppet Flower. Let's start coloring with rainbow color. Purple. Orange. Light green. Red. Pink. Blue. Red. Yellow. Green. Now we're going to use black marker to make drawing more visible. Woohoo! Perfect! We finished drawing and coloring Poppet Flower. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!